Hello, Dr. Dorsey here, inventor of Sit and Decompress therapy. If you're new, what this video is about, and I'm going to actually shoot 7 videos, day 1 through day 7. I'm just going to go through the steps on what this therapy is about, and what you can expect, and kind of go over some questions that we've been selling this for I think close to 6 years now. 2015, 2014, I think we launched this, or I launched this, and I've sold tons of these, and I continue to get the same questions. So as we're doing the therapy, I'm going to answer those questions and kind of go from there, and hopefully this will help anybody who's new to it. But even if you've had the harness for a while, this may be a good refresher just to kind of just watch how to do it again. So this is the setup now. This is during the COVID pandemic still. I mean, it's a year later since it all started, but I am still having issues with my suppliers. So some of these harnesses may look a little bit different than what you see right here, okay? And that goes for actually the last couple of years. Suppliers are up and down, and sometimes they don't have supply. So in general, this harness is going to look like this, but things may be a little bit different. The buckles may be different, the material may be slightly different, and the color of the straps may be different. But in this means air, because now we have 2 versions. This is version 2, which is the inflatable version, okay? Everything else is the same, okay? Not much has changed since once we launched this in 2014. Not much has changed. And I just want to show you what day 1 looks like, okay? So when you get the package, you can get it with or without the sit-up, or with or without the chin-up bar, okay? And the reason we sell it without the chin-up bar is because this chin-up bar is a very common piece of equipment. Okay, a lot of people already have this at home, and you don't even have to hang from a chin-up bar. You can hang from anything that you want. But ideally, these straps are set up to work with a chin-up bar in the door like this. Okay, so we're going to set it up because we have people that are questioning how to set it up. So the chin-up bar is real simple. It actually comes with four bolts. Bolt here, you bolt in this part here, and then there's like 2 bolts here. Again, most chin-up bars are like this. There may be one that doesn't have these bolts, but again, they're all very similar chin-up bars, okay? I've had this one for a while, so they last a long time. Put it into the door, okay? Now, my doors are a little bit wider, actually 6 inches wide, so that's why it looks a little bit different, but again, most doors are 4 inches wide, and it hangs just like that. Okay, now we got the D-rings. People were questioning how to use the D-rings. Okay, very simple. There's 2 D-rings. Okay, so you put the D-rings on the back. The other D-ring on the back. Side like that, and you have the 2 straps in the front. Okay, now, D-ring, hold them, open them up, close them. So when you send it through, you send them through both of them, okay? And then when you split them, you split them and you put it through, okay? All right, that is the setup. That's it, okay? Now you're gonna step into it. This actually has a little bit of air in it. Maybe I should take it out. I'll take the air out. Because again, you can buy it with or without the air. The ones on Amazon do not have air, okay? We're not going to sell the inflatable ones on Amazon because we want to keep this exclusive to our website, Sit and Decompress, okay? SitandDecompress.com. All right, we may do it in the future, but right now I just like to keep it on the heart because I just like to keep that exclusive to our website. So, step in, wrap it around, wrap it around. Now, there's 2 ways to wrap. You can wrap straight across, okay? Like that. Works fine. Okay, pull the straps tight, and then you sit. Okay, or you can actually wrap it at an angle, which is up a little bit. So now it's like a little V, right? Pull tight, tight. Everyone starts here, okay? Nice and tall, stand nice and straight, and then from here, pull these straps tight, right? And then when you sit, keep your elbows here, fingers here, or hands here, and just sit straight down. All right. Now, people who are new to this, there is a slight learning curve, okay? You're gonna have to adjust your, adjust your clothes, adjust the harness, because the first time you do it, you're not gonna get it right. Okay, something's not gonna be correct, and you'll have to stand up, readjust. Okay, and you also have this, which you don't have to use. This is simply to keep the Velcro from coming undone. Okay, there you go. Sit. Perfect. First day is 3 minutes. Okay, up to 3 minutes. You don't have to do 3 minutes. If your back's really sore, you could do like a minute or 2 minutes, whatever works for you. Okay. Now, most common issue is slippage, right? You're going to slide out. Now, if I wanted to slide out, easiest way to do it for me was just raise my arms a little bit, and I can slide down. Actually, I can't. It won't slide down any further for me. Okay, but not everyone's shaped like me. That's okay. You can find the right way to wrap it around it so you won't slide out. Okay, but a little bit of slippage is normal. Okay, so this is still neutral stance. Couple things to do while you're in neutral stance. Keep your legs loose, okay? That allows your spine and your SI joint to relax. Okay? You can go back and forth like this. If you can't do this, it's fine. This is the first day, so we're just taking baby steps, and we're building on it every day. All right? Just kind of get comfortable, and then from here, after about a minute or so, then you're going to walk 1 foot out. Okay? We'll work our way into flexion stance. And you feel stretch. I mean, I've been doing this since I developed it. And every time I get it, I'm always blown away with how much stretch and decompression you get in the back. There's nothing on the market like this. Even in my chiropractic office, when I came up with this, when I was working with it and trying to develop it, the first time I got in, I was blown away because it was like nothing I felt in my office. I had the decompression table, I had the expensive spinal decompression table. It didn't do anything like this. I had the roller tables, I had the pump, the lumbar pump that you lay on. I had all those pillows. Okay, they stretched a little bit, but nothing like this. You want to bring your other foot out. And this is something new that we're doing. Just bring them one out at a time. Okay, this is a new step. We used to just go both of them out, but that was a little bit too much for people who had a lot of back pain. So we're doing one at a time, seeing how that feels. If that's okay, then you can go both feet after you've kind of warmed your back up. Okay, if you can only go this the first day, it's okay. It's not a big deal. Just stay here. Again, this is long haul. Okay, now that you got the harness, this is the best thing you could have done for your spine, right? Because now, once you get your spine back to normal or you start feeling better, now you can keep it there, and it's not going to get worse. Okay, you're going to start feeling better and better and more better. I think that's a word, more better. And then you're going to want to maintain, just like brushing your teeth. You want to maintain your spine. Okay, so now you got this at home, you can do it anytime you want. Okay, that's probably about 3 minutes. When you're done, stand up nice and slow. Unhook. That's it. That's day 1. Come back day 2. We'll do some new things.